How to add a profile picture to your Outlook. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser. In the search bar, search for outlook.live.com, and then just like that, sign in to your account using your Microsoft account. Once you sign in, you can go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon at the very top, then tap on My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account setting page. Now click on your profile icon again. You want to go ahead and simply tap on change photo. Now simply upload a picture you want to use as your new Outlook profile picture from your computer and then tap on open. After you open it up, you can resize it however you want and then simply tap on save. After a few moments, your new profile picture will be updated across the Microsoft services including the Outlook app. Now when you reopen Outlook on your computer or phone, you should be able to see your updated profile picture there as well. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.